Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make your wallpaper 3D on iPhone. So here I have an iPhone with the new iOS 26 and if you want to make this photo 3D, it is very easy. Just press and hold on the wallpaper and now you can tap here customize. And here we have a little icon with a hexagon. If you tap on it, from here you can generate spatial scene, and this is how it looks. If you don't have this hexagon, you need to add a new photo. For that, just tap here on the plus sign and tap on photos. Here you can select all. Now select your favorite photo. Let's say for example this one, and now tap again here on this hexagon icon, now generating spatial scene, and this is how it looks. From here also you can modify the size of the watch, and then just tap add, and also you can customize home screen. From here you can let this photo or disable blur, and then just tap done, and now tap on it, and this is how it looks now, my new wallpaper. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.